Hello everybody! Welcome to Unlimited Power. Today, we are going to go over how to master law of assumption. Make sure to watch until the last trick, because it's one of the most amazing laws of assumption tricks I've ever seen. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with the law of assumption. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is a mindset that focuses on attracting positive outcomes by assuming that one's desired outcome is already within reach. This approach is similar to the law of attraction, which also emphasizes positive thinking as a means of manifesting one's desires. Neville Goddard developed the law of assumption as a positive thinking tactic that encourages individuals to believe and feel as though they already have what they desire. By doing so, they attract positive outcomes and manifest their desires into reality. The law of assumption helps people reframe their thoughts from a negative or pessimistic outlook to a positive one. By expecting positive outcomes, individuals can view the same facts in a new light and eliminate the barrier of self-doubt. This mindset allows individuals to act with confidence in their lives, which can foster success. People can apply the law of assumption to any aspect of their lives, including love, money, housing, jobs, or any other desires they may have. The law of assumption helps individuals shift their focus from negativity to positivity, increasing the likelihood of positive outcomes. Many people have adopted manifesting, which is essentially the same as the law of assumption in practice, as a way to achieve their goals. Overall, the law of assumption is a positive thinking tactic that encourages individuals to believe and feel as though they already have what they desire, leading to positive outcomes and success. Science. The law of assumption's role in psychological processes. Manifestation is not illusion or mere wishful thinking. It is a practice deeply rooted in psychological concepts, captivating both the materialistic and ethereal aspects of life. This technique is essentially about turning one's internal thoughts and feelings into concrete, real-world occurrences, thereby creating a life that embodies one's aspirations, be it for companionship, material success, or general well-being. Through recognizing and harnessing the law of assumption, one can direct their internal compass towards preferred results. By embracing beliefs filled with success, affinity, and prosperity, actions are naturally aligned to attract these very outcomes into one's life. This psychological perspective elucidates the crux of personal agency in manifestation, the ability to steer one's life path consciously by the guiding forces of belief and expectation. How does the law of assumption work? In the realm of the law of assumption, consciousness acts as the bedrock of existence, hosting a melange of thoughts, emotions, and convictions. Here, one's beliefs are not static, but are continuously molded and remolded by consciousness. They are the driving forces that carve the path of an individual's life, much like currents shape the journey of a ship at sea. In this intricate dance, consciousness and beliefs are inextricable partners, each influencing the outcome of the other. The dynamic nature of consciousness can be likened to an expansive ocean, with assumptions serving as the directive currents within, steering the voyages of experiences. The mind operates on two levels. The conscious mind. This is the domain of active thoughts and intentional decision-making. This is where one has the power to consciously forge assumptions. The subconscious mind. Operating under the radar of the conscious mind. This is the vault for ingrained beliefs and prior experiences. Visualize the subconscious as a garden. Assumptions sown here eventually grow into the reality experienced. The conscious mind takes the role of the gardener, deliberate in planting these assumptions. By integrating and nurturing positive beliefs at the conscious level, One can thus direct the subconscious to manifest these into actual experience. Steps to master the law of assumption to manifest greatness. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that can transform your life. By using the power of your imagination, positive affirmations, and shifting your state of mind, you can shift not just your inner world, but also your entire experience of the world. Here are 9 steps to use the law of assumption techniques to manifest greatness. Step 1. Identify your current assumptions. The first step is to take time to recognize your assumptions about yourself, others, and the world. This involves introspection, being honest with yourself, and identifying whether your assumptions are positive or negative, and whether they are serving you or hindering your growth. Step 2. Challenge your negative or limiting assumptions. Once you've identified your assumptions, challenge the negative or limiting ones. Dispute these assumptions by asking yourself why you hold them and whether they are based on truth or just fear. Challenging these assumptions is crucial to breaking free from their constraints. Step 3. Replace negative assumptions with positive ones. After challenging your negative assumptions, the next step is to replace them with positive assumptions through the power of your mind. One way to do this is to use scripting or journaling. Write down your negative assumptions and replace them with positive ones that align with the reality you want to create. Step 4. Use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your new positive assumptions into positive outcomes. Repeat affirmations that you can believe in daily that align with the reality you want to create. Affirmations are the best way to shift into positive thinking as you increase the feeling of your desire. Step 5. Visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can reinforce your new positive assumptions. Picture in your mind the reality you wish to create. Imagine it in as much detail as possible and feel the emotions associated with your desired reality. This will make your assumption more real and help you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goal. Step 6. Feel your desire fulfilled. The law of assumption isn't just about assuming your desire. It's about living as if your desire has already been fulfilled. Feel the emotions you would feel if your goal was already achieved. This aligns your vibration with your desire and quickly brings it into your reality. Step 7. Practice patience. Remember, manifestation can be an instant process, but sometimes it takes time as you shift your belief. It may take time for your reality to align with your assumptions. Have patience and faith in the process. Keep holding on to your new assumptions, even if your outer reality doesn't reflect them immediately. Step 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is key in manifestation. Keep affirming your new assumptions, visualizing your desired reality, and living in the feeling of your wish fulfilled. The more consistently you do these, the quicker you'll see results. Step 9. Celebrate your success. Once you start seeing changes, no matter how small, celebrate them. This will make you feel good and reinforce your belief in the law of assumption and your ability to manifest. Remember, mastering the law of assumption is like learning any other skill. It takes practice and patience. But with persistence, you can harness the power of assumption to create a reality that resonates with your desires. Success stories, law of assumption in the real world. This concept is paralleled in quantum physics through the observer effect, which postulates that the mere act of observation can alter the object being observed. Similarly, individuals advance their realities by firmly believing in certain outcomes. One could consider the placebo effect, a scientific corroboration of the law of assumption's validity. During clinical trials, some participants receive a placebo, which lacks an active ingredient. Astonishingly, the mere belief in its efficacy can lead to actual health improvements, showcasing the tangible impact of one's beliefs and expectations. Serve as compelling evidence of how assumptions, when deeply ingrained, can shape one's reality. The law of assumption has helped many people achieve their goals and desires. There are numerous success stories of people who have manifested their dreams by using this powerful concept. One Reddit user shared their story of how they manifested a new job using the law of assumption. They had been struggling to find a job for over a year, but after learning about the law of assumption, they visualized themselves working in a job they loved. They made the assumption that getting a job was easy for them and visualized themselves in a Zoom meeting with other people in the company. Shortly after, they landed a work-from-home job that they enjoyed. Another Reddit user shared their experience of manifesting their ideal body using the law of assumption. After learning about the law of assumption, they started walking confidently as if they had a supermodel body and great style. Soon, people around them started to look at them with admiration, and they started receiving compliments everywhere they went. By assuming they had a great taste in style, people followed through with that assumption. One Reddit user shared their success story of using the law of assumption to navigate bureaucracy in a foreign country. They made the assumption that everything would work out smoothly, and they were able to complete the paperwork without any issues. These success stories demonstrate the power of the law of assumption. By making positive assumptions and visualizing desired outcomes, individuals can manifest their dreams and achieve their goals. Here are some key takeaways from these success stories. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that can help individuals achieve their goals and desires. By making positive assumptions and visualizing desired outcomes, individuals can manifest their dreams. It is important to have a clear and specific vision of what you want to manifest. Consistent practice and belief in the law of assumption can lead to success. Overall, the law of assumption can be a powerful tool for those looking to achieve their goals and manifest their dreams. By making positive assumptions and visualizing desired outcomes, individuals can change their reality and create the life they want. The law of assumption has transformed the lives of many individuals, as seen in these success stories. By shifting their mindset, visualizing their desired reality, and acting as if it has already happened, they were able to manifest their desires. It's important to take action and believe in the power of this universal principle to change your reality. Remember, you have the power to create your own destiny.